How to recall an email in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Gmail, and over here, whenever you send an email to someone, you will be able to find the option of undo at the bottom. And in case if you want to increase the length of that particular message, just simply click on this option of settings on the top right hand side corner. Then click on this option of see all settings. And over here you will find the option of undo send. Just click over here and increase the time of 30 seconds and save it. And this way, whenever you will send an email to someone, you will be able to recall that particular email within the 30 seconds time frame. And in case if it has been sent, then you cannot do much about it, as Google don't provide any option for you to recall it. So it's better for us to wait for Google to provide this feature also. Make sure that you comment about it so Google notices it and it provides the feature. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.